One Valley Hospital tonight warning of an alarming shift in coronavirus metrics. The number of patients hospitalized there and diagnosed with the coronavirus doubling over the weekend. News Channel 3's Jake and Gracia live tonight at Eisenhower Health in Rancho Mirage with more on that big shift and new promising developments when it comes to getting a vaccine. Jake.
John, good evening. And the good news tonight is that in the trials so far, that new vaccine is proving highly effective at preventing coronavirus. The bad news is that it's going to be a while before it's widely distributed. And in the meantime, coronavirus here in the Coachella Valley continues to run rampant.
Over the weekend, we've seen our admissions to the hospital for COVID also basically double. We're now up around 30 patients in the hospital with COVID.
Eisenhower Health in Rancho Mirage warning of a new concerning spike in coronavirus hospitalizations. The number of infected people there climbing steadily over the last 7 days, adding 20 new patients since November 1st. It's a trend a chief hospital executive there is calling alarming.
For us to suddenly double the number of patients in the hospital, that's certainly very concerning because it's reminiscent of what we were seeing as we really headed into the worst spike that we had in the midsummer after Memorial Day.
Riverside County remains well within its capacity for ICU beds and patients overall. But Monday, the county saw the highest number of hospitalized coronavirus patients since August.
Our hope is that this will taper back off again, maybe level out at 40, possibly 50 patients in the hospital, which I think we could manage reasonably well.
This comes as drug maker Pfizer announced promising developments in its coronavirus vaccine trials. Early analysis showing the vaccine 90% effective at preventing the disease. Williamson says by comparison, the flu vaccine is usually only about 60 to 70% effective.
So it's very good news, except it is just an interim report. There's still many steps that need to be completed in order for the FDA to even consider an emergency use evaluation.
Still unknown, he says, is how long the vaccine's immunity will last. And important to remember, it's still likely months away from being widely distributed.
We're going to have to get through with what we know works right now, which is our social distancing, wearing masks, hand washing.
And Dr. Williamson also warning of potentially serious logistical problems when it comes to that vaccine. It needs to be super chilled and stored at negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit. That could make rolling out hundreds of millions of doses a seriously challenging thing to do. We're live tonight in Rancho Mirage. Jake and Gracia, News Channel 3.
All right, Jake, thank you.